In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Zoho campaigns to create and manage your marketing campaigns. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this guide will walk you through building an email or SMS campaign from scratch. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Zoho Campaign's website. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, go ahead and log in now. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. Here, look to the left side menu panel and click on Campaigns. This will be your main hub for accessing and managing all the campaigns you create. In the campaign section, you'll notice options for both email campaigns and SMS campaigns. Choose the one that suits your marketing strategy. Today, we'll focus on creating an email campaign. Click on Email Campaigns to proceed. Now let's dive into creating a new campaign. In this section, find and click on Create Campaign. It's important to note that this step is where we differentiate our campaign from others and start building something unique. Once clicked, you'll have the choice of several campaign options. Let's go with Create New Regular Email Campaign. Next up is naming your campaign. Think of a meaningful name that represents the essence of what your campaign is about. Type that into the provided field. This name is not only useful for keeping your campaigns organized, but it's also helpful when looking back at past campaigns for insights. Now that you've named your campaign, don't forget to hit Save and Proceed. This action ensures all your details entered so far are securely saved, allowing you to move forward without any worries. The next step is crucial, crafting your email subject line. Remember, this is the first thing your recipients will see, so make it compelling and relevant to your campaign's content and goals. With your subject line in place, it's time to select your sender. Decide which email address you'd like your campaign to appear as being sent from. This could be your business's general contact, a team member's email, or any other address that aligns with the tone and the purpose of your campaign. Moving along, add your recipients. Choose from your existing contact lists or specific segments, depending on who your target audience is for this campaign. Now comes the fun part, creating content. Zoho Campaigns provides a variety of templates for you to explore, or you can opt to create your own from scratch. Creativity is key here. Ensure your content is engaging and relevant to your audience. For those looking to fine-tune their approach, click on Show Advanced Options. It's here you can adjust tracking settings to better measure your campaign's impact and engagement. Another handy feature is the calendar. Utilize it to schedule your campaign's launch at the optimal time. Timing can significantly influence the open rate and success of your campaign. Lastly, remember to manage your campaigns actively. By following the next path on the platform, you can track results, make necessary adjustments, and optimize future campaigns. Thank you for tuning in today, and happy campaigning!